Explain ko na lang guys kasi ang taas ko na. From 1 to 6, kasi naputol yun, continuation ito. Ito, half of your breast measurement. 1/2 of your breast division of your, 1/2 division of your breast measurement is 17. Kasi 34 ang breast. Half niyan is 17. Hanapin yung 17 sa half. Ito ang half. Nandito. Ito ang half. Hanapin nyo ang 17. Yan. Point number 6. From 6, go to the left, draw a straight line. So to get 7, same. Half din ng inyong breast is 17. So 7 to 8 is 1.5 inches for the breast allowance, and go back 9. From 7 to 9 is 1 inch. So connect 5 to 9 with a straight line, and 8 to 5 with a curved line. Ayan. Yan, i-curved line nyo. Tapos, 8 to 10, gawa ka ng go down, make a straight line downward. Ganyan. So, ibaba na natin ito guys. This 8, kaparehan ng measure nito. Baba natin ha. Kamuna. Yan. Hirap. Ayan. So, 8, 9. So, 10 rito. 10 dyan. Tapos, so, from 10 up, measure 2 inches. Ito, 2 inches. Measure natin ng 2 inches. Ayan. Tapos, draw a curve. Para yan sa blouse mo. Sa polo. Lagay tayo ng curve dito.